All right, guys, so today the educational video is going to cover a very important topic that could potentially be life-threatening, and that is diabetes in cats and in dogs. Diabetes in cats and in dogs a lot of times go unnoticed by the owners because they simply do not know what to look for at home. So today I'm going to tell you what to look for to make sure your pet is not suffering from diabetes. Number one, diabetes normally causes your pet to drink more water and urinate much more. Some owners may suspect a urinary tract infection because the pet may be having accidents in the home. The urine potentially could be very clear, but the difference between a urinary tract infection and diabetes most often is that when diabetes happens, there is a lot of urine at one time. If it happens to be a UTI, most of the time it's going to be a very, very small puddle. If we don't catch diabetes in time in your cat or your dog, it can turn into life-threatening ketoacidosis, which can cost your pet its life. One of the simplest ways to check for diabetes is a urine sample to see if there's any sugar in the urine. One other way we can test to diagnose diabetes in dogs and cats is to do a blood sample and run it on our Bloodwork machines. A lot of times we'll see that the blood glucose levels are elevated, which will kind of point us in the right direction, which we'll run a couple of other tests just to make sure of, and then get the pet started on insulin depending on the type of diabetes the pet may have. So if your pet's drinking a lot of water and peeing a lot, book an appointment as soon as possible.